In this video, we are going to see how you can track the source of Bitcoin funds which a wallet holds using Moneyflow Lite. Moneyflow Lite is a tool by Bitquery which you can use to track funds and generate reports on transactions, which can help you in your scam investigations. You can effortlessly navigate through several hops with automated clustering of addresses. This increases the efficiency of investigation process. Now let's get started. Go to lite.bitquery.io. Enter the address here you want to know the source for. After entering the address, you need to select the blockchain and date range. You can see the balance in USD and inbound transactions and outbound transactions for this particular address. It holds currently $26.9 million. Now, by clicking on Create Money Flow, we'll create the money flow graph of flow of funds. Click on Create Money Flow. The node, you can see this node, right? This is the address group through which BTC came in, and these here are the nodes or address groups to which BTC was transferred in small amounts. If you click on this flow, it will give you the transfer details. The sender is this address. The red one is the origin. Origin is basically the address that we put in the form. You can see the 1.9 million inflow and around $500,000 of outflow. Tracing balance you can see is $1.4 million. Now to track the source, we need to somehow look backwards, right? So to do that, we can just click on trace in button. Now it has shown us the inbound flow with one more level. Just keep on clicking this trace in button. You can do this for up to 10 levels. You can see this is a big trail of around $1.8 million. You can again click on trace in. So the graph hasn't changed. So what you can do is create another money flow for this particular address or change the date range. You can also check the transactions here. These are all of the transactions, inbound, outbound. This is for the particular flow I have selected. But if we select this, then now you can check these. There are 829 transactions. You can filter and sort the transactions by tracing amount or transaction amount and maybe use time also. If you need more than 10 levels, then buy the Moneyflow Pro. It will have much more labels about the entities which will help you in your efficient investigation. So this was the video on how to trace the source of funds. You can just go to trace in and just keep on tracing in until the end of the inflow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.